Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a very interesting grade 1 English worksheet, and this worksheet is totally free. At the end of this video I will give you the link in the description where you can download this worksheet for free. Dear parents and teachers, in today's video we're working on a grade 1 English worksheet. This is designed to help the children practice identifying and using nouns in simple sentences. This activity is perfect for beginner readers and young learners to understand what a noun is, a person, place, animal or thing, and how to use it in a sentence. As all of you know that noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. So I have designed this worksheet accordingly where children will be able to read the words given at the end of this worksheet, and they are going to write these words in the blanks given over here. I've also given a small clip art so that the children will enjoy that and color it afterwards. So first I will tell you how we can solve this worksheet. Read each sentence carefully, look at the blank space in the sentence and that where a noun is missing. Now look over here, there is one noun which is missing in every sentence, and these are the nouns which are given at the bottom of this page. Choose the correct noun from the word bank at the bottom of the page, like dog, mom, book, sun, flowers and frog. These are 6 words given. Then you are going to fill in the blank with the noun that makes the sentence complete and correct. After doing the worksheet, you can ask your child to read the sentences out loud to check if it sounds right. This worksheet is very helpful. It will help your child to improve vocabulary, sentence structure, and reading comprehension. Then you can also encourage your child to color the clip art at the end of the worksheet after completing the activity. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like more free worksheets from my channel. Now I will help you to solve this worksheet. As you can read it, can you read it clearly and see it? She has a new dash in her bag. Now different words are given: dog, mom, book, sun, flowers, and frog. So it means she has a new, it means it should be a singular noun. And in the bag, what do we put in the bag? We put books in the bags. So which word will come over here? She has a new book in her bag. The dash smell lovely. Now choose the correct word. Is it a dog? Mom? Book is already done. We are going to put a tick on it. Sun, flowers and frog. Obviously flowers. Flowers is the word that will come over here. The dash is barking loudly. So children, which animal do you think barks loudly? Dog. Very good. We are going to write dog over here. Flowers is already written. We are also going to take that. The dash is shining in the sky. Children, which thing shines in the sky brightly? Is it a sun, mom, or frog? Sun. There is a dash in the pond. There is a frog in the pond. My dash is baking cookies. So who is baking cookies? My mom. So in this way you have to solve this worksheet. I will give you the link in the description where you can print it out, and then you can ask your students, children, homeschoolers to solve these worksheets. These worksheets are very helping for the students who want to improve their vocabulary. It could be for grade 1 and grade 2 students. So you can hit that subscribe button if you like my worksheet. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video and in the next free worksheet video. Thank you so much.